Hello guys, welcome back to Always Mabel Canada's YouTube channel. Today we are going to renovate this wall on this side. So as you can see, this is the basement anyway. So there's windows there, and then this is already old boring, very dark painted wall. But now we are going to renovate it for just 2 hours, maybe less, by using this 3D brick textured pattern wall panels, wallpaper. It's a self-adhesive foam waterproof modern style for living room, bedroom, kitchen wall, covering backgrounds decoration. This is not only for making your wall beautiful, it's also going to help insulate your house. As you can see, this is 3D wall bricks and it's foam, and you don't need to buy any more adhesive. It's a self-adhesive. You are just gonna peel this off here, and then that's it, and then stick it to the wall. So we're now going to start making this wall beautiful. So let's start. So guys, it took me 2 hours to install this 3D wall panel. it's not really hard to install it. The only struggles that I had is when you're cutting inside here and on those side there and those corners. It took a while to cut it, and sometimes you have to measure before you cut it. So anyway, that's now how it looks with a new 3D brick wall panel. It looks better, way better than the old wall of mine. As you can see, there's no more windows there, and it covers it. So when you're watching movie, there's no more bright light coming in from the window. Guys, if you are planning to buy, or if you want to buy the same thing, this 3D brick wall panel, you can click down link below and you will be redirected where you can buy this 3D brick wall panel. It's not only the appearance, but also it helps to insulate the wall. It's like a weather insulations and the sound insulation. It really helps when it comes to insulation as well, not only the look. So guys, so that's how it looks with a new 3D brick wall panel. It looks way better than the old wall. So let me show you the background light. I will switch on the Philips Hue light. So my basement background light. So if you are going to turn off the lights, that's how it's going to look when you're turning it on. And you can also change the background light like that, or that one, or this one here. So that's really look nice when you have these Philips Hue lights. So anyway guys, look, when you are going to renovate your wall, it's gonna be more cheaper to renovate your wall. If you have this old wall and still usable, just buy this kind of 3D brick wall panel and then you just stick it. It's also self-adhesive already. You just peel off the back and then stick it to the wall. So it looks better. I'm happy with this 3D brick wall panel. Well, it's soft, it's foam. You see, it's gonna be look better, way better. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe on this channel. I hope you love this brick wall panel, and please subscribe. It will help us to grow our channel, and we're going to make it better and better. Please hit the like button and see you on our next video. Thank you guys for watching.